good man.
What do you mean?
You know the thing, I'm a good man.
Yeah, you look like a good man.
I'll take a picture.
Did your daughter ask for photos?
Nah, when she's older, let's have something to remind her of me.
You won't see her?
Don't think I'll look like this for much longer.
Why not? Why shouldn't you stay like this?
Just take a picture.
You should have one like this. More natural.
A businessman threw me this morning coffee.
Such a successful man.
So rich.
Charitable.
Of course.
She will be very proud of you.
Enough. I said enough.
At last, I laugh. Take me to Africa.
You're going to Africa.
A valley in Sierra Leone where there's no water.